Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your next chapter in history, that is the rise of small kingdoms in South India. In this chapter you will know about important development of the medieval period between 700 to 1200 CE. After that you will learn rise and fall of many regional kingdoms and what were the main development and achievement of that period. Let's proceed ahead. The medieval era, it means the medieval period of 500 years, that is 700 to 1200 CE, saw some important developments in southern India. Many regional kingdoms rose and fell on that time. It means in the early medieval period there were many wars among the regional kingdoms of both North and South India. These wars led to the frequent rise and fall of kingdoms. So, like northern India, the medieval period of 500 years saw some important developments in southern India. What were the most important kingdoms of that period? The most important kingdoms of that period were the Cholas, Pandyas and Cheras that were mentioned in Ashoka's edicts. It means from the Ashoka's edicts we knew about three main kingdoms of Cholas, Pandyas and the Cheras. In the later period, the kingdoms of Chalukyas and Pallavas rose in the area of present Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The Rashtrakutas ruled over the northern part of Deccan during this time. Now, let us know about the details. First, we will know the most important kingdom among them was Cholas. In this topic, first you will know who was the founder of Cholas dynasty. It is because it is very important questions for the examinations and for your knowledge. After that you will know name of important kings of these kingdoms and also you will know what were the achievement of Cholas kingdoms. First, we will know who was the founders of Cholas dynasty. Answer is the Vijayalaya. The king Vijayalaya was the founder of Cholas dynasties. Okay, who was the founder of Cholas dynasty? The king Vijayalaya was the founder of Cholas dynasty, and after that you will know that what were the achievement of Cholas kingdoms. Most important questions, what were the achievements of the Cholas kingdoms? The most important achievements of Cholas kingdoms were they defeated the Pallavas kings and the other local rulers. First point is they defeated the Pallava kings and the other local rulers. And other important achievement of Chola's kingdoms, they built a strong army and even conquered Sri Lanka, part of Southeast East Asia, some part of Southeast Asia, and the islands of Maldives and Lakshadweep. Okay, and other important developments of the Cholas, they helped in the spread of Indian culture to foreign countries. They helped in the spread of Indian culture to foreign countries. And other important development achievement that of that period, King Raja spread the message of Vedas among the common people. King Raja spread the messages of Vedas among common people. Now, you will know that the Chola kingdom extended from Nellore to Pudukkottai and Mysore to Madras. Now, Chennai. Okay, other important achievement of Chola's kingdom extended from Nellore to Pudukkottai and Mysore to Madras, now Chennai. In this way, you learnt about the founder of Cholas was Vijayalaya, who defeated Pallavas rulers. After the Vijayalaya, important ruler of Chola dynasty was Prantaka I. He was the grandson of Vijayalaya. The most important ruler of Chola's kingdom was Raja Raja I. Raja Raja I ruled from 1012 to 1044 CE. So, the Chola Empire rose as the supreme power under the greatest Chola king, that is Raja Raja I. What was his main achievement? He pursued a policy. Raja Raja I pursued a policy of conquest for 14 years and conquered the Chalukya kingdom of Bengi and captured Kerala and Madurai. He built the famous temple Rajarajeshwar at Tanjore. The walls of the temple depict his conquest. Raja Raja I spread the messages of Vedas among the common people. So, most important question, what was the most important achievement of Raja Raja I? You can write, you can reply. The most important achievement of Raja Raja I was he pursued a policy of conquest for 14 years and conquered the Chalukya kingdom of Bengi. Second point, he captured Kerala and Madurai. It was also a most important achievement. Third point, he also built the famous temple Rajarajeshwar at Tanjore. The walls of the temple depict his conquest. It is also a most important achievement. And last point, Raja Raja spread the message of Vedas among the common people. After Raja Raja I, his son Rajendra Chola became an important ruler of Chola's dynasty. who ruled for 28 years. It means Rajendra Chola ruled for 28 years, and most important achievement of Rajendra Chola was he expanded his territories over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Sumatra, Malaya and Pegu. Other important achievement of Rajendra Chola was he defeated the Pal king Mahipal of Bihar and Bengal region. And other achievement, he took the title of Gangai Kondai. It means victor of Ganga. It was also a most important achievement of Rajendra Chola. The continuous war and internal conflicts led to the disintegration of Chola Empire in about 1279 CE. In this way, about 1279 CE, the Cholas Empire came to be ended due to continuous war and internal conflicts. After the Chola Empire, the rise of Hindu kingdoms at Vijayanagar gave the final blow to Chola dynasty. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.